Hey, beautiful souls, it's Empress Shey. Welcome back to the Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal, a 30-day journey of emotional wisdom, ancestral release, intuitive awakening, and soul level rebirth. Each day, we're moving deeper into alignment, deeper into clarity, and deeper into the truth of who we are becoming. Let today's message meet you where you are, hold you with grace, and guide you with love. Let's flow. Day 10, Forgiveness for Peace. Forgiveness frees you. Forgiveness is a soul-liberating release. It is not approval, dismissal, or forgetting. It is choosing your peace over the weight of resentment. Jupiter retrograde in Cancer is activating deep emotional storage within the heart and the ancestral memory field. Day 10 invites you to loosen your grip on old hurts, expectations, or betrayals, so you can reclaim the emotional space that belongs to your healing. Forgiveness is not for them. It is the medicine that returns you to yourself. Day 10 of the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer healing portal focuses on emotional restoration through forgiveness. This lesson helps you release resentment, old disappointments, and long-held emotional heaviness so you can restore inner calm, clarity, and emotional balance. This healing energy is aligned with Jupiter retrograde's influence in Cancer, encouraging heart-centered reflection, emotional detox, and the reclaiming of peace. Perfect for anyone doing shadow work, inner child healing, emotional release, or spiritual reset during this retrograde window. And before you go, take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support truly helps this healing space reach the souls who are meant to find it. And I'm excited to announce that I have a new guided meditation series on my channel, Healing Energies with Empress Shey, and also on my channel, Daily Align and Evolve. And that's our YouTube channel. These meditations are designed to support your emotional healing, alignment, and inner peace through Jupiter retrograde in Cancer. Make sure you check them out if you're needing grounding, clarity, or soothing energy on your journey. I also want to remind you that I have a weekly tarot reading for the collective here on my YouTube channel, Healing Energies with Empress Shey. Every Thursday, we explore the overall collective energy and the current planetary alignments, so you receive a full picture of what the cosmos is activating and how this energy is showing up in your life. And every Saturday, I release the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer reading, where we go deeper into the emotional and spiritual shifts happening during the retrograde season. Make sure your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss a message that's meant for you. And remember, the healing portal doesn't stop here. Even though the Grand Water Trine has completed, This journey continues all the way until Jupiter retrograde ends on March 10th. This portal has always been rooted in Jupiter retrograde and Cancer energy, activating your fourth house of home, family, emotional roots, and inner security. And because Jupiter is retrograde, this work is internal, reflective, and transformative. Stay with the process. Trust what's surfacing. Honor the healing happening beneath the surface. Thank you for being here, and thank you for choosing this healing, and thank you for allowing me to walk with you on this journey and flowing with me, beautiful souls, as this Jupiter retrograde in Cancer continue to open and cleanse our emotional world. Remember, your healing is your power, your clarity is your protection, and your softness is your strength. Take what resonates, release what doesn't, and keep moving gently towards your rebirth. I'll meet you again here tomorrow as we rise, align, and evolve one day at a time. Stay grounded, stay open, and stay divine. This is Empress Shey. Have yourself a wonderful rest of your day.